Watch me create this AI movie video, but first of all, let's watch the video.
Not tonight. You won't hurt anyone tonight. Go back to the darkness where you belong. Not tonight.
I won't let you destroy this place! Yeah! Not today! You won't destroy this place! I won't let you!
Elder, please listen. The creatures are getting stronger.
Travel monsters, Jan. Perhaps you should focus on more practical pursuits.
But I'm protecting everyone.
The only thing you're doing is spreading fear with these tales.
I'm done here. They don't have to see it. They don't have to know. As long as they're safe, that's enough. I'll keep watching.
To generate videos like this, we started with a script. So as you can see here, create me a story of a girl who fights evil in a village, but no one ever sees the good she does. I also tell the Claude AI, here is how you will deliver the result. Starts with the prompts for the main character, scene prompt, character dialogue, voice prompts for each of them, scene 1, what happened in the scene, prompt with camera angle to generate the scene, and also the dialogue if any, camera movement prompt and video prompts for each scene. So this is what Claude AI has been able to give us. The main character prompts, it also provides us with the character dialogue voice prompts for the main characters and also other characters. We also have the scene 1, you went ahead and provide us with the scene. Also, as you can see, this is the dialogue that went through on the scene. The morning after, scene 2, scene 3, go ahead like that. So when you're done with that, so what I did was that tell it to write out all the image prompts for me. As you can see, these are all the image prompts generated out. So the next thing we did was to generate our image. So I used our favorite tool, which is LM Arena. Yeah, as you can see, this is our main character. Luna is the name. So I copied the prompt from Claude AI to generate our main character. So this is the elder on the character. As you can see, this is the main character, and this is the shadow creature that is disturbing the village. This is just a story of an evil that disturbed a certain village, and the girl was the only one that can save that village. So the next thing we did was to generate this image. So when you're done with that, we generated the scene, so we can use it on our Wix AI. So when we are done with that, we come to Wix AI. As you can see, this is where we have the character sample. Here we have the character sample and the other character sample, and here we have the scene. So we now use this extension Auto Wix, to generate our image. I've already added it to my Chrome, so that's why you can see here remove from Chrome. It helps us to generate these images that we have seen. What I did was copied all the prompt from Claude AI and paste it here, so it automatically creates our image for us. Don't worry, I've created a step-by-step tutorial on how you can use this Auto Wix AI. Watch the video here to learn more on how you can use the Auto Wix to generate multiple images for your AI video without having to spend hours and days to sit down to generate images. The next thing we did was to create different camera angles, which you can see here. So what we did here was create different camera angles for our images. As you can see here on the screen, we created different camera angles for this. You can also watch the video here so that you can understand how you can generate different camera angles at once for your AI image. It is very simple to use. You can just do it with just simple click. When you are done generating your multiple camera angles, don't forget that you have to come and upscale it. As you can see, I come here to upscale it for a higher resolution. I come here to upscale it because if you use this one here, it will not have a good quality. This right here does not have a good quality. As you can see, it doesn't have a good quality. What we did was to import it to LM Arena and tell LM Arena to analyze this image and upscale it, maintain exact same color and details, output ratio 16:9. This is all we did for all the images. As you can see, we had some failed generation. As you can see here, some of them failed. You just have to retry again, and it fails, you have to retry. As you can see here, we upscale a whole lot of the images that we did with multiple camera angles. To generate multiple camera angles, you just need to watch the video here so you can know how you can generate multiple camera angles in just one click. When we finished generating our image, the next thing we did was to arrange them sequentially. You get, arrange them sequentially so that when we are generating our video, we will not have conflict with it. You know, we just arrange them scene by scene. This is just as storyboarding. You know, you storyboard your animation the same way animators storyboard their animation. So this is how we also do it using AI. To create AI video, you just have to arrange the images so that it follows scene by scene what you expect the viewers to see. When you are done with that, we move to generating our videos. This is where everything gets exciting. As you can see, we use Flow AI to generate our video. So as you can see here, we have the frame, first frame and last frame. So as for video that contains more than one scene, we use the first frame and the last frame. As you can see, we input the first frame and also we click here, we add the last frame. Upload the last frame for the image you want to do. So when you are done with that, you just need to paste a prompt and it will generate it using the instruction. The next thing we also did was to use Grok AI. You know that you will not fail to use Grok AI, our favorite for free users. Grok AI has been very good for free users. It gives you enough room to generate videos. As you can see here, we generate these videos using Grok AI. Most of them that had one scene, we just have to use Grok AI to prompt them. So Grok AI did a very nice job with it. So when you are done with that, the next thing you want to do is to use Premiere Pro to put them together. Or you can also use CapCut. For me, I was using Premiere Pro. As you can see, all the scenes here, they are done with Adobe Premiere Pro. You can also use CapCut. Me, I'm very much familiar with Premiere Pro, so that is why I'm using Premiere Pro. It's just the same thing. It's just the same process with CapCut.